In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into your Google or Gmail account. Managing your contacts efficiently can make a big difference in how smoothly you can communicate, both personally and professionally. So, let's dive into the process, and by the end of this video, you'll have all your contacts at your fingertips within Google. First, you'll want to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials and that you have access to the account where you'd like to import the contacts. This step is crucial because any mistake here might lead to importing data into the wrong account. Once you're logged in, head over to Google Contacts. You can easily do this by navigating to contacts.google.com, or you can access it directly through your Gmail. In your Gmail interface, look towards the top right section where you'll see a grid of dots. That's the Google Apps icon. Click it and select Contacts from the drop-down menu. This is your starting point for importing contacts. Now that you're on the Google Contacts page, take a moment to look at the layout. On the left side, you'll find an array of options. You want to focus on the Import option, which will likely be located in the menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on Import. At this point, you'll be prompted to select a file to upload. Your contacts should be saved in a CSV, separated values format. This is a common format for contact files, and you can easily export contacts from other email services or applications into this format. If you haven't done this yet, take a minute to export your contacts and save them in CSV format on your computer. Next, back in Google Contacts, click on Select File and navigate through your computer's file explorer to find the CSV file you prepared. Select it and click Open. Initiating this import process will start the transfer of contacts into your Google account. A key thing to note is that Google Contacts often suggests merging duplicates if any exist. It's a good idea to review these suggestions to ensure your contact list remains organized and free of duplicates. After the import completes, review your contact list to confirm that all entries have been added successfully. This is a chance to make any necessary adjustments or tweaks to the information. And there you have it. Your contacts have been successfully imported into your Google or Gmail account. This simple process can make a huge difference in your daily efficiency by centralizing all your contacts. Remember, staying organized with your digital contacts will make your communications experience more fluid and efficient. Happy contacting!